And now I'm gonna open up what I got at Louis. I know you guys are dying. You guys are going crazy on Snapchat messaging me like, what did you get? Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. Hi, I already took you outside. Okay, now I gotta go. Okay? You're so cute. Oh my god, I can't deal with you. Okay, stop pushing me. Okay, do you see what he does? You're being bad. Okay? Hello. I'm off to the gym, trying to escape from Little Max. Listen, he's looking at his leash like, am I going out again? Literally, I just came back from outside with him. Come on, boo-boo, go over there. Oh my god, you're so cute. I can't deal. I cannot deal. I need to fix the tripod thing for my car. I haven't been able to really car vlog. Like I always have to pull over and like car vlog, but this little thing has been giving me issues. Why is it ringing like that? I don't know when my car was ringing like that. Anyways, it doesn't stay stuck here. So I think I have to replace this because I think this is perfectly fine. Like I bet if I... Yeah. So the suction is fine. It works great on glass. But I have to replace this, but I can't remove this. I have to buy that Goo Gone thing. See if I can remove it. And I have a new one that I can just replace it with. But I just haven't been able to remove this thing. A struggle. What the heck? I just want a car vlog like a normal vlogger. This is the most progress we've made ever. Okay. Oh my god, that's kind of hard. Oh shit. I gotta... That shit better come off my car. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Okay, I'm definitely gonna go buy that Goo Gone thing. Cause now I'm a little concerned that that thing won't come off my car. I think it will though. I think it will. But it's concerning me a bit. Alright, so I washed my hair for the first time since I went to the salon, which was just 2 days ago. It still looks kind of dark. Some areas look lighter, like this area right here looks lighter. The front area looks really dark. But I think I'm just gonna let it be and let it fade a little bit more, and then maybe next month or something I'll try to lighten it a little bit more, because I really don't want light hair. I just want dark brown hair instead of black. But it already looks a little bit better. I'm trying to, like, you see how it's like kind of brown now? Because I feel like the black is intense, you guys know. So I have my tape and extensions, which arrived late yesterday, and they're definitely way lighter than my hair now. So I'm gonna stop by the salon so that Judy can take a look at the hair, and she'll probably have to just stay with it and dye it a little bit darker, which is what we wanted. Like, we went with lighter hair so that if anything she could just darken it a little. So that's what I'm gonna do. And next week hopefully I can get my extensions done. I wish I was getting it done now, but you know what, we're just gonna be with our natural hair right now. Ooh, girl, I look like spring. Hi guys, it's Monday, April 2nd, and it's snowing. Well, it stopped snowing, but we got a lot of snow today. Ayla's on spring break, so we're probably gonna be hanging out a lot this week. Right? Right? What is this?
I told you, it looks like straws.
I don't know. We just got to the mall. I actually want to go to the Louis Vuitton store. Oh, let me get inside.
Okay, thank you.
They have escalators anyways.
Good, because you know.
Ayla's very sore because she had softball practice over the weekend and she can barely walk apparently. What a baby. Oh, the Zen shop. What are the chances they have it? Good vibes, good vibes.
Hi guys.
That always makes fun of me. No, that was a really quick trip to LV because they didn't have the bag in stock and they didn't have it at any stores by me, so she ended up ordering it from like another store. I don't know what store, but apparently it's too far for me to go get it. So she ordered it and she says I'll probably have it by like midweek. I'm gonna come pick it up at this store. That's the option that I chose, only because I didn't want to have them delivered to my house and me not be there, because that is like prime package. I don't want anything happening to my little package. So when it arrives, I'll let you guys know. I'll fill you guys in. We'll come pick it up together.
This is pretty big.
We spent like the whole day at the mall, not by choice, but we went to that store, Things Remembered, where they engrave stuff, and they took like hours to engrave 2 things for me. So I'm just exhausted now. Ayla and I are gonna do a little mask. Wait, I need my little brush. I know how to mask. I'm using the Glam Glow white one, the Super Mud Clearing Treatment. This is my favorite one. They just came out with this like mega size. And Ayla is using also Glam Glow, but she's doing the Gravity Mud Firming Treatment because, you know, wrinkles and everything. Oh my god, it feels like so weird. Oh, hello. Yours is cool. Ayla really wanted to do a peel off mask, that's why she's doing that one. And I want to clear my skin up. That's why I'm doing this one. It's called...
Oh, I think I got it in my hair.
Applying a mask with a brush is 10 times better.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Say hello to everyone.
Hello everyone.
Woo! Woo! Oh, that's loud. I hurt my ears. We're having a sleepover. One of Ayla's favorite things are to do masks. That's like her new fave thing, as you guys just saw in the previous clip. And I'm gonna show her these masks over here. She likes sheet masks also, and that's what these are. I'm so good to you.
Okay.
Anyways, yeah, this is a brand called Facery, and you get like different masks every month, I believe. Let me see if I figure out how this works. So if you want to try out Facery for yourself, you can use this code right here, MelissaFL214. Just screenshot that. So if you get 2 free masks on your first 4 Ever Kit purchase, or 4 free masks on the first 7 Luxe box purchase. So I'll leave this here for a second. If you guys want a screenshot, do that right now. And then this is a list of the different masks that we're getting in this box. This is the 7 box. And I'm gonna look at them first so I can pick my favorite, and then I'll give Ayla what I don't want.
Nice.
I'm just kidding. Hello.
I waved to them. When you were holding the camera,
You know what? I'll talk to you guys in the car, because Max can stop barking because he knows I'm leaving. So guys, you know how earlier in the vlog I told you guys that I went to the Louis Vuitton store, I ordered a bag. They called me early today and it's ready for me to pick up. So
wow.
I'm very excited. Ayla's not. I don't know why you're not excited. This is life-changing.
I never said I wasn't excited.
You're excited. You wanted to come with me to pick it up. It's like we're picking up a new baby, a new member of the family. She's gonna be with us every day. I'm so excited. We're going in. Ayla could care less. One day you'll care. One day. Hey guys, I got my baby. But I'm gonna open it when I get home, obviously, because I'm bringing Ayla to eat some food first, because you guys know what she gets when she's hangry. Hangry little teenager. Why is the lighting so good on you? Like it's normal, and on me it's yellow. Maybe it's my coat or something. Both under the same light. Anyways, we're at Smashburger right now. And yeah, we're just waiting for our food. I cannot wait to go home and look at my bag. She opened it for me at the store and she showed me like the different ways that I could wear it. And it was just so cute, you guys. It's the cutest bag ever. It's so me. But yeah. I'm so excited. So last night when I got home, I did not open my bag because my room was a mess. And I don't know, I'm really weird. Like when I get new things and my place is a mess, like I have to clean it up first and then I can welcome my new babies into my space. So I just spent the night cleaning up my room. And now I'm gonna open up what I got at Louis. I know you guys are dying. You guys are going crazy on Snapchat messaging me like, what did you get? All right, so let's open the bag up. I love the bag, it's so nice. I think I'm gonna keep it forever. And then what I got comes in this little cute box right here. Hold on, let's just slide it off. We have the receipt in this envelope. They are so fancy. My baby is in here. This is what the box looks like if you guys are wondering. You guys are gonna die, she's so cute. Maxie, this is my baby now. So here she is. I got the Palm Springs mini backpack and I got the monogram kind of design. There is another design on the website. If you're interested, I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can check it out for yourselves. But this is my new baby. I'm so excited. I think she's so cute, and I really wanted to treat myself to a nice everyday bag. And I always wear my black backpack. You guys, if you've been with me for like over a year, you know I've been wearing that same black backpack like every single day. It's just very convenient. I never thought I was gonna be like a backpack girl where like that's my main bag, but that's what I end up using every single day. So when I saw this one, I was like, oh my god, that would be the perfect like nice luxury everyday bag. So I decided to go with the backpack, and this baby is gonna go with me everywhere because this cost me a lot of money. So it's gonna go with me to the grocery store, it's gonna go with me to walk the dog, it's gonna go with me to sleep because it's so cute and I spent a lot of money on it. And what I liked about this bag also is that you could wear it as a backpack, but you could also wear it as a crossbody, which I love wearing a bag as a crossbody. When I was at the store, the girl actually showed me how I could wear it in different ways. And what is this? You have a little Louis Vuitton booklet. So these are the straps right here. I think I'm gonna check out how it looks as a backpack first. How cute is she? I love her. I definitely wouldn't wear it like super low though. I think I would put the straps up and bring it up a little higher, just for my personal taste. But yeah guys, this is my new baby. I'm gonna transfer my products over to the bag now and I'm gonna start using it today. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Again, if you want to know anything from this video, I'm gonna try to link everything in the description box, so make sure that you check that first. That is it guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.